Hey singers, welcome back to the Voice Savvy YouTube channel. So guess what? I have a cold for like the third time since the weather change here in London, and it is getting colder over here, especially as we head into the Christmas period. But having a cold is just so annoying, right? But that's life. Especially with this unpredictable weather here in London. I don't know what the weather is like where you are. Maybe it's nice and warm, but here in London, it is cold. Now, as a singer, I know it can be so frustrating to have a cold. I'm frustrated right now, our voice is our instrument, and it can really just throw a spanner in the works whenever we have colds. But do not worry, because I have you covered, and today I'm going to share my personalized mixed voice vocal workout that I really rely on whenever I'm under the weather or whenever I have a cold, which just helps me to keep that connection from chest voice to head voice. It really just helps me keep my mixed voice nice and allowing me to vocalize with that ease, and that's what we need when we have a cold. We need to vocalize with ease. We need gentle vocal care, you know, and we need those semi-occluded vocal tract exercises. That's where they come into play, and they're so good for really allowing your voice to vocalize with ease. They are a game changer for smoothing out and working out mixed voice even when we're not 100%, and just allowing us to do that with ease. So we are going to start out with the lip trill, which is just so simple and effective. But we're going to do some pitch glides. We're going to go from a comfortable low note to a comfortable high note and back down again. And then we will take it to the scale and really just working on that connection from chest voice to head voice.
Going from a comfortable low note to a comfortable high note, only go where it's comfortable. Don't force it or push it in any way.
Okay, so let's take this to the scale.
Keep it nice and chilled. Be mindful of airflow, not forcing it in any way. Inhaling through the nose if you can. Just sliding through the notes. Sliding.
So next we have straw phonation, which is one of my favorites. I always talk about it being my favorites. So you're just going to hum or sing gently through a straw, and it's really just going to help to maintain airflow and pressure, which will allow your voice to work through mixed voice without stressing out your vocal cords, you know. So we're going to do some pitch glides with this one, just going from a comfortable low note to a comfortable high note, back down again. And you can go into a little bit of vocal fry at the bottom there, because it really just helps with the connection and massaging the vocal cords. And then we're going to take this one to the scale.
Pitch gliding with the straw, just gliding up and then back down again, and using a little bit of that vocal fry at the bottom just to help relax the voice and massage the vocal cords.
So let's take it to the scale.
Keeping it nice and relaxed. Just sliding through the notes with ease. And take your time. It's okay to take your time. Gliding up from chest voice through the break. Just allowing the voice to be and not forcing it. Let it go where it wants to go. Nice.
Then you can also try and just do a little bit of singing. So try strawing or lip trilling through a song that you're working on. I've just decided to try Silent Night. Just work a little bit on the verse. I don't want to sing too much because obviously I've got a cold, but it's just to do a little something, you know.
So just hum the melody through the straw. and being mindful of your airflow.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. So remember, the key is gentleness. It's not about pushing our voices, it's not about forcing it, but it's about just maintaining what we have and not letting the cold set us back too much. If your voice is hurting in any way, please do not do this workout. Do not do this workout if your voice is hurting. I'm doing this workout because I do not have a sore throat and my voice is not hurting. If it was, I wouldn't be doing it. I wouldn't be advising you to do this, basically. So yeah, only do it if you just have a cold and you're bunged up. Don't do it if it hurts, okay? But having a cold as a singer is no fun, obviously, but you can still keep your voice in shape with some exercises, you know, as I mentioned, so that you're not set back too much when you're back to being 100%. But keep practicing, stay hydrated, do some steam inhalation, which is really just going to help with inflammation, and most importantly, take care of yourself. If you found these tips helpful, then give it the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more vocal tips, and also hit that notification bell so that you can stay up to date with the videos that I'm posting. Also, you can download my Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. There's a whole bunch of vocal training, workouts, teaching videos on my app, as well as my Become a Pro Singer course, which is a really great course. It's a really great program. But yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Until next time, keep singing, stay positive, know that we've got this, and yeah, I will see you soon. Peace.